Hey everyone, welcome to Hubbards Journey. Today we're pulling into Aruba on the beautiful Emerald Princess. And let me tell you, it's going to be a great day on this sunny island. Now Aruba's cruise port really knows how to set you up. Right after you step off the ship, there's free Wi-Fi. Plenty of spots to grab souvenirs, coffee shop, sandwich shop, you name it. There's even a visitor's desk if you need a little direction or just have some questions about the island. All around a perfect welcome to Aruba. It is hot. I can tell you, every time I come to Aruba, it's hot. As you head out of the port building, you notice the Princess hired excursion companies and groups of passengers gathering. If you've booked a Princess excursion, they made it real easy to just hop on your bus. But if you're more of a do-it-yourselfer type like us, you have options just outside the gates. Local tour companies, taxis, and buses are ready to roll. We've used Waika Tours in the past. A great family-run business here in Aruba. They're reliable, they're affordable, and if you reach out to them ahead of time, they'll have someone waiting for you as soon as you arrive. I'll put their information in the comments if you're interested. So we're making our way out of the port area and heading over to Druif Beach. It's a bit of a walk, about 30-40 minutes, but it's a nice one. And you get to see some of Aruba along the way. And it's a great opportunity for us to get our 10,000 steps in. And here we are, Druif Beach. Now this beach is a hidden gem. It's actually not as busy than Aruba's more famous beaches like Eagle Beach or Palm Beach, which makes it the perfect place if you're looking to just relax without the crowds. The sand here is soft and white. You've got the amazing turquoise water that's calm and shallow. So you can wade in, swim, or just float around without a care in the world. Whether you're just looking to dip your toes or spend the day, Druif Beach can be a nice option for you, and it's free if you walk. After soaking up some sun, we're heading into Oranjestad. If you're ever looking to stay in downtown Aruba, I've got to say, the Renaissance Aruba Resort and Casino is a solid option. We've stayed there before and it's got a little bit of everything. There's actually a river running through the hotel with boats that come right into the hotel and take you out to their private island. Now that private island, it's a special spot. Flamingos, a beautiful beach, and you can snorkel right off the shore. If you're a guest at the Renaissance, that island is all yours to enjoy. It's also family friendly with a quieter adults only section. So you've got options whether you're there with the kids or just want to spend some peace and quiet together. To wrap up the day, we're stopping at Lucy's Retired Surfers Bar and Restaurant. This place is fun, laid back spot right on the water with a fantastic view of the harbor and our home, the beautiful Emerald Princess. It's a great view. Lucy's is known for its beachy vibe, and it's a great place to kick back, relax after a long day of exploring. They've got everything from classic margaritas to local Aruba inspired cocktails. The menu's got plenty of good eats too. From fish tacos to burgers, so you can grab a bite while you sit by the water and take in the Caribbean. After our nightcap, we're making our way back to the ship. What a day. Druif Beach, downtown Oranjestad, a nightcap at Lucy's, and just a good time soaking up the Aruba vibes. Hope you enjoyed tagging along with us today, and maybe you got a few ideas for your own trip to this incredible island. Thank you for being here on Hubbards Journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for more adventures. Ciao for now.